Hi there guys, so today the video I'm going to do is a 60 watt MagSafe 2 power adapter unboxing. So I have a 13-inch Retina MacBook Pro from mid 2014, so it's getting on now, nearly 4 years old, and this is the charger that came with it. As you can see, it's very much gone. There's wires everywhere. It did actually set on fire the other day and it stopped working, so it is definitely time for a new power adapter, just so I can actually use my laptop, because I haven't been able to for the last few days. So I thought I'd just give it a little quick unbox in case anyone were to buy one of these, just to see what you get inside of it. Just another side note, I don't have my Canon camera and my tripod with me today, so I'm sorry if it's a bit shaky. I'm just recording this on the iPhone XS Max, so let's hope it comes out a nice video. But yeah, as you can see, I'm going to remove this because it's just getting mess everywhere, and it is just a mess. And I don't know why I used that for such a long time when it was in that condition, but yeah. So here is the new one. I spent £79 on it, which it is a bit cringe when you think about the price because it's a charger, but you've got to do what you've got to do, I suppose. It's going to be a bit difficult doing this one-handed, but I'm just going to undo the cellophane on it. Just made a little cut on the box by accident. Oh well, it's not as if I need the box really, is it? Right. So as I say, this retails for £79, which is very cringe when you think about it's just a charger. I did get this from Argos in the UK. You can get it from the Apple Store, but Argos was just a little bit nearer to myself, so that's why I got it from there. So let's just quickly slide this undone. So there we go, straight ahead we are presented with the 60 watt brick, which is the main bit of the charger. Then we've got the MagSafe 2 connector on the end. And I think there's something underneath here as well. Hopefully there is. There we go. So we get our 3-pin UK wall adapter. There's actually 2, because you can just go straight from the brick into the wall, which doesn't make it as long as the extension lead that's in, which I always use. So yeah, basically that's all it's included. Little watch check. I've done 1,126 calories today, which is pretty sick. So in here we've literally just got our user manual. Pretty sure there's some warranty information in there as well. I won't be needing that, I won't be opening it. But yeah, that's all that's in the box. So yeah, I'm sorry for that messy little freehand video. I'm not too sure how good it's going to be, but that's just the contents of the box if you were to buy the official Apple 60 watt MagSafe 2 power adapter yourself. That's what comes in the box. So you get your extended lead, you get a 3-pin, and then you get your brick with MagSafe 2. Alright, well thank you for watching this video. That's everything. So if you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, thanks for watching.